Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you ready to make your home HVAC system a little smarter?
This is the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. We have it here in white, third generation. I think that it is super sleek looking. And what I love so much about this is just how simple it is to use. And of course, that it works along with our smart home device. You can see it's turned off normally, and then when you walk up to it, the display pops on and just really conveniently provides you with the temperature outside, along with a little mini forecast for the day. All you do is click the thermostat and then you're able to turn it and set it as you like, and it gives you a little preview of how long, an estimate of how long it's going to take to change the temperature. And there's so many different settings. You're able to set it to eco mode, you're able to completely turn it off, of course, and there's just like a lot of different features that you're able to take a look at the history of your HVAC system, like see how much time it spent on AC the day before. You're able to schedule things, and literally it's just a turn and a click. That's how simple this is to use. It doesn't even really have any buttons. So I love that. I love that it's user friendly, intuitive, and on top of that, it looks really nice, which for a thermostat is pretty amazing that it can look sleek on the wall. And of course, because you can use it with your smart home device, it has an app where you're able to control that. So you don't even have to get up and use the thermostat, or if you're away, you're able to set it for when you come home so that your home is cooled or heated for you when you arrive.
We love our Google Nest thermostat. It has added so much peace of mind when we're not home, and it just really makes things a lot easier. I think you're going to love it too, but that's just my point of view.